yesterday before we adjourned, we dealt with the events of the 19th of June 2020. You put entry 1313 on the 19th of June 2020 at 12:20 on record, wherein you personally book accused number 1 back in the cells. You testify that after booking accused number 1 in the cells, you went to the office. You then received a telephone call from Brigadier Gininda to say that there's an investigation that must be conducted in Puking. Is that correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Iqiniso ukuthi izolo ithe masihlukana wena bokade sokhulume ngobufakazi obukade bubhaliwe ebuka 1313 obokwenzakelela ukuthi wena ngemva kokuthi ubuyise umsolwa uthe uye wathola ucingo elibuya ku Brigadier Gininda ekutshela ngokuthi kunophenyo okwamele lenziwe ePhuking uthi yebo ngiyavuma.
Yes, you can continue from there.
And my lord, we left to Puking, which is, my lord, in northwest.
Ulabona baye baqhubeka bahamba baya ePhuking.
If you say
northwest.
We left for Puking, who are you including?
I was, my lord, driving with Brigadier Gininda, my lord, who was then a colonel.
Uma uthi sahamba siya ePhuking usho obani uthi bengikade ngino Brigadier Gininda obekade ngaleso sikhathi bekusase ukolonel.
And what time did you leave for Puking?
It was, my lord, at about 1900 hours, my lord.
Uma nihamba isikhathi sasithini uthi besikade sila ntambama ngabo 7.
Yes, you may proceed.
Yes, my lord, and the brigadier informed me that Sergeant Mokhane and Sergeant Mabena had already left.
Brigadier uye wamtshela ke ukuthi uSergeant Mokhane no Mabena bese sebahambile.
Yes.
And then, my lord, we got to Puking police station, my lord, and found Sergeant Mokhane and Sergeant Mabena as well as accused number 2.
Bafika ke esiphoyiseni sase Puking bafika bathola uSergeant Mokhane no Mabena nommangalelwa wesibini ekhona naye la.
And my lord, Brigadier Gininda arranged that a vehicle, my lord, from Puking police station should accompany us, my lord, to where accused number 2 was residing.
Brigadier Gininda yena ke uye wayenza isiqiniseko sokuthi kube nemoto ezabe isuka lapha nesiphoyiseni ePhuking ezobalandela ihamba nabo ukuya la ummangalelo wesibini wayekade ehlala khona.
Yes.
We were accompanied, my lord, by 2 police officers from Puking police station.
Bona ke baye balandelwa amaphoyisa amabini abekade esuka esiphoyiseni sasePhuking.
Yes.
We arrived, my lord, at the address where accused number 2 was residing.
Bafikile kuleli yakheli la ummangalelo wesibini wayekade ehlala khona.
And my lord, he indicated, my lord, to Sergeant Mokhane and Sergeant Mabena where they can get a key.
Yena ke ummangalelo wesibini watshela uSergeant Mabena noMokhane ukuthi isikhiya bazosithola phi.
As far as I remember, my lord, the key was taken from his pocket, my lord.
Uma esakhumbula kahle uthi isikhiya sakhishwa ekhukhini likamangalelo wesibili.
Yes.
My lord, the door was then opened and we gained entry.
Umnyango wavulwa bangena phakathi.
It was, my lord, a one room.
Bekade kuyigumbi elilodwa.
Sergeant Mokhane, my lord, then asked accused number 2 about, my lord, the item that, my lord, we were actually looking for.
Kula ukuthi uSergeant Mokhane wabuza ummangalelo wesibini ngalento bekade beyifuna.
Which was, my lord, a hoodie, sweater or jacket.
Leyo nto le bekade ifunwa bekuleyanto egqokwayo enehoodie.
Which he said he was wearing, my lord.
Yes, you were looking for a hoodie. Yes.
Yes, my lord, and he indicated to Sergeant Mokhane, my lord, where to look for that item.
Yena ke ummangalelo wesibini wabonisa uSergeant Mokhane ukuthi ayibheke endaweni ethize.
He pointed, my lord, to a wardrobe.
Ummangalelo wesibini wakhomba ke kwi-wardrobe la kugcinwa khona impahla.
And told Sergeant Mokhane, my lord, to check, my lord, inside the wardrobe.
Wamtshela ke uSergeant Mokhane ukuthi abheke phakathi kwaleyo wardrobe.
And, my lord, when Sergeant Mokhane was busy checking, my lord, inside the wardrobe,
Ithema kasalibela bheka uSergeant Mokhane phakathi kwe-wardrobe.
he found, my lord, a black plastic bag
Wathola iplastic emnyama
which contained a rifle ammunition.
wathola ke inhlamvu ze-rifle.
He then, my lord, confronted accused number 2
Weza ke kummangalelo wesibini
and asked him, my lord, if he had any license, my lord, for possessing such items.
wambuza ke ukuthi unayo ilicense yokuba ubambe lezi zinto.
Could the accused number 2 produce any license?
He couldn't, my lord, produce any license.
Ummangalelo wesibini azange ababonise ilicense noma asho ukuthi yebo nayi ilicense yami.
That was after, my lord, he warned him of his constitutional rights.
Nangokho bese sekatsheliwe ngamalungelo wakhe
He
we-constitution.
then, my lord, placed accused number 2 under arrest, my lord, for the possession of unlicensed ammunition.
Kula ikuthi iphoyisa uMokhane uye wabopha ummangalelo wesibini embophela ukuthi wayekade ephethe inhlamvu ezingekho emthethweni.
And he further, my lord, asked him, my lord, about these items, if he had knowledge, my lord, that they were in the house.
Wambuza ke futhi nokuthi bowazi wena ntanzi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi engizithola la bezikade zilibele zikhona endlini.
Yes.
And, my lord,
Yeah, it's fine. You mentioned that you were searching for a hoodie or a sweater or a jacket. What was the outcome of the search regarding this item?
my lord, the item was not found. He then said that it could be where he was working, my lord, or at home in Nongoma.
Uthe benikade nifuna ihoodie leyana le benithe iyagqokwa uthi benesigqoko. Manje imiphumela yakhona kuye kwaba yini niye nayithola nawe ukuthi cha asange siyithole. UNtanzi uye wasitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe leyo hoodie ingahle ibe emsebenzini noma ekhaya kwaNongoma.
And thereafter, my lord, we left to Puking police station where a docket was opened and registered.
Sahamba ke singamaphoyisa siya esiphoyiseni sase Puking la ukuthi kufike kwavulwa idokodo.
And when the accused mentioned that this hoodie could be at home in Nongoma or at his place of work, did he say so freely and voluntarily?
That's correct, my lord. He said that freely and voluntarily.
Manje umangalelwa yena uma ekhuluma ukuthi ihoodie leyana mhlawumbe isemsebenzini noma ekhaya kwaNongoma. Ukade ukhulume engaphoqwanga na uthi yebo ukhulume engaphoqwanga.
Out of his own free will, my lord, in his sober senses and without any undue influence.
Futhi ke ukhulume engaphoqwanga yena ukhulume ezibuye umuntu ezikhulumela engaphuzanga namanzi amponjwana kungena nento ebekade imdakiwe eyenze ukuthi akhulume uyena ovele wazikhulumela.
Were there any other similar items seen in the wardrobe?
Yes, my lord. There were a couple of hoodie jackets inside the wardrobe.
Kuthiwa ke zikhona ezinye bezikhona mhlawumbe ama hoodie abekade elaphayana kwe wardrobe uthi yebo wayekade ekhona.
He also, my lord, requested to take one of the hoodies, my lord, which was grey in color.
UNtanzi uye wacela ukuthi ngicela ukuthatha enye yalama hoodie wami ebekade ngombala igrey.
And my lord, if I'm not mistaken, he was wearing a red hoodie jacket as well.
Uthi uma ingabe ngingaphosi ngalelo la uma siya la akahlala khona wayekade egqoke enye ihoodie ebovu ngombala.
Yes. Yes, what happened further?
Thereafter, my lord, a case docket was registered.
Ngemva kwalokho kuye kwayenzakalana uthi kuye kwavulwa idokodo.
And then, my lord, we left back to Johannesburg.
Saqhubeka sabuyela emuva eGoli.
Where was the case docket registered?
At Puking police station.
Leliya dokodo livulwe phi uthi esiphoyiseni sase Puking.
Yes, if you say you left for Johannesburg, who are you referring to?
I left, my lord, with Brigadier Gininda.
Uma uthi sabuyela eGoli ukhuluma ngabubani uthi mina no Brigadier uGininda.
And my lord, Mukhane and Mabena, as well as accused number 2.
Mukhane no Mabena no mangalelo esibini naye nabo babuya na.
They went, my lord, to detain him, but I was not there, my lord, when he was detained.
Uthi bahambile bayomvalela kodwa mina bengikade ngingekho uma bekade bemvalela.
What time did you and Brigadier Gininda leave Puking?
It could have been, my lord, after 12.
Usakhumbula ukuthi wena no Brigadier Gininda nahamba ePuking ngobani isikhathi uthi mhlawumbe u12 bese sekashayile emini.
Yes, anything else that you want to place on record regarding case number 2? Is it all?
There's nothing, my lord.
Ikhona enye into futhi ofuna ukuyichaza ngomangalelo wesibili uthi ayisekho.
Now, yesterday you made reference to a vehicle that you were using on the 30th of May 2020 when accused number 1 was arrested, namely a Golf 7. Do you still remember the registration number of that vehicle?
Can I, my lord, I've got a document with that registration number. Can I go through?
Yes, which document is that?
Which document is that?
Is my lord an affidavit by Michael Jacobus Dupriz. He's from C-Track.
It's fine, he will place that on record, but can you remember the registration number of the vehicle that you were using at the time?
Not 100%, my lord.
Uthi ke uye wakhuluma ngemoto ebenikade nihamba ngayo ngalesikhathi ummangalelwa nithi nina benikade niya kuye. Usakhumbula leyo moto iGolf 7, usayikhumbula iregistration number yakhona uthi cha mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuyikhumbula kodwa ibhaliwe la kulo yamfo obuya car track lo beka phana ngomfakazi.
Do you remember if it was fitted with the car tracking device, the vehicle that you were using, the Golf 7?
My lord, I thought it was fitted with an AVL, but then, my lord, I discovered that it was not fitted with AVL.
Usakhumbula ukuthi mhlawumbe imoto leyana lebe uhamba ngayo iGolf 7 le kukhulunywa ngayo yayikade ifakiwe i-truck uthi i-tracker uthi mina bengicabanga ukuthi ifakiwe i-tracker kodwa ngibe nolwazi ngemva kwalokho ukuthi yayikade ingafakwanga i-AVL.
The vehicle that was used by Sergeant Mukhani at the time, the Toyota Fortuner, the particulars thereof are already on record as per AVL records, exhibit MM2, MM2A and MM3. Were there other vehicles that were allocated to the cold case unit except for your vehicle and the Toyota Fortuner?
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi imoto lebukade umkhane hamba ngayo sekukhulunywe ngayo futhi wena uyazi nawo ukuthi beyikhona enye imoto noma ezinye imoto bezikade zihlelelwa ukuthi zizosebenza kuleliqala uthi yebo.
Yes, do you remember which vehicles were those?
It was, my lord, a Kumbi VW. It was a VW Kumbi.
Uthi kwakade kune khumbi ye VW.
It was also, my lord, a Golf 6.
Enye imoto ebekade isetshenziswa bekuyi Golf 6
And also, my lord, a white Golf 7.
ne Golf 7 emhlophe.
And do you remember if perhaps they were fitted with a tracking device?
My lord, I do not know.
Uthi umshushisi usakhumbula ukuthi mhlawumbe zazikade zifakwe i-tracker uthi mina anginalo lolo lwazi.
During the proceedings on the 6th of November 2023, page 27 thereof, Mr. Ngomezulu put the following proposition to Sergeant Mukhani. He said, may I place it on record, sir, that the people that were in the boardroom, this is now regarding the events of the 17th of June 2020 at Pretoria North Police Station. He said, may I place it on record, sir, that the people that were in the boardroom were Brigadier Gininda, Sergeant Mohola, yourself, one Bongani from intelligence, and another male person with braces, and Mabena. What is your comment regarding this proposition?
My lord, those are lies because I remember, my lord, when I was in Pretoria North, first of all, I came alone and I found Sergeant Mohane and Sergeant Mabena as well as accused number 2. So there was no one else, my lord, in that boardroom.
Uthi ke nge-6 zika November kuwo lo nyaka uma ephana ngobufakazi uSergeant Mukhona kula ukuthi ummeli kaMangalelo wesibini uye wathi ngiyakwazisa ke wena Sergeant ukuthi abantu abekade belapha kuleya boardroom ngalesikhathi uMangalelo wesibini ekhona bekuno Brigadier Gininda kunomhola kunobongane kunomunye naye o enye insizwa angayishongo ngegama uthi futhi bekade kunomabhena uyayiphika ke ufakazi lana uthi cha mina uma ngifika lapha yana bekade kunomabhena noMkhani noMangalelo wesibini kuphela.
It was further put to Sergeant Mohane that and my instructions further is that it was the police officers were outside the boardroom. What is your comment that there were police officers outside the boardroom?
Other police officers?
Yes.
My lord, I did not see other police officers, my lord. It could be that it was police officers from Pretoria North because we were at the police station.
Uthi manje uma ethi ummeli bekade kunamanye amaphoyisa ngaphandle kweboardroom uthi cha angibabonanga mina mhlawumbe kungasuke kube amanye amaphoyisa wakhona lapha esiphoyiseni sasePretoria North njengoba sasikade silapha yana epolice station yasePretoria North.
But my lord, when I arrived, I did not see any police officers outside.
Kodwa mina uma ngifika angizange ngibone amaphoyisa ngaphandle kweboardroom.
And this cross-examination is contained in lines 20 to 25 on the 6th of November 2023 at page 27 of the proceedings. And it was further put to Sergeant Mohane that my instructions further is that it was an interview relating to the death of Senzo Meyiwa. That is when Brigadier Gininda instructed accused number 2 to strip off his clothes so that he can confirm if he had tattoos.
My lord, that is not the truth. Something, my lord, of this nature did not happen. So, my lord, I submit that that is a lie.
Uthi ke buye waqhubeka ummeli ethi lapha yana phakathi eboardroom kulayi ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda uye wathi kuMangalelo wesibini akhulule asale enqunu ukubonisa ukuthi yena wayekade enawo imidwebo emzimbeni ama-tattoo. Uthi ufakazi Nkosi yenkantolo ngiyayiphika leyo nto akulona iqiniso ayizange iyenzeke into enjalo.
And also during the proceedings of the 6th of November 2023 on page 4 of the report, from line 12, the following proposition was put to Sergeant Mohane by Advocate Ngumezulu. Said, let me put it this way, according to accused number 2, he was called on a 012 number a week before his arrest. And he said, the person who called offered employment for accused number 2. And it was further put to him that the person introduced herself as Sergeant Mokola. Do you know anything about that, this telephone call?
My lord, I don't know anything about a telephone call, my lord. I never called, my lord, the accused. And my lord, what would be a reason for me to even call my lord the accused? Because I was never even instructed by anyone to call my lord the accused.
Uthi ke futhi enye into ummeli uma eqhubeka ebuza umkhani imibuzo uye wamtshela ukuthi umangalelo wesibini yena uthe uye wathola ucingo kwinombolo eno-012 phakathi iviki ngaphambi kokuthi aboshwe la ukuthi lowo muntu obekade esecingweni uye wamthembisa umangalelo wesibini emthembisa umsebenzi lo muntu wazazisa kumangalelo wesibini nje ngoSergeant Mukhola uyaphendula nangoMukhola uthi cha angaze mina ngamshayela ucingo umangalelo wesibini futhi isizathu sokuthi ngimshayela ucingo bekuyini ngoba mina angaze ngatshelwa umuntu ukuthi ngishayele umangalelo wesibini ucingo.
And it was further put to Sergeant Mukhane that this person who introduced herself as Sergeant Mukhola further informed accused number 2 that we are looking for you, we want the address where you reside, and she further mentioned that he, that is accused number 2, is wanted for the death of Mr. Senzo Meyiwa. And on page 5, from line 4 up to line 8, the following proposition was made by Advocate Ngumezulu. What is basically important about his evidence is that after such allegations were made telephonically, accused 2 gave Sergeant Mukhola the address where he resides, and that is the first time he denied his involvement in the death of Senzo Meyiwa. What is your comment?
My Lord, this is a lie. How can you call, my Lord, a suspected person, my Lord, in the case of such a nature, and question him, my Lord? My Lord, I believe that would have been, I would have been charged even for defeating the ends of justice, because he would have, my Lord, ran. He would not even be sitting, my Lord, where he is sitting at the present moment.
Ke futhi nalolu daba lokuthi umangalelo wesibini yena ubekade ethe uma ummeli wakhe ekhuluma ubekade ethe uye watshelwa yilo muntu osecingweni ukuthi siyakufuna sidinga naleli kheli lala uhlala khona futhi sifuna ukukubuza imibuzo ngokufa kukaNozinti uSenzo Meyiwa. Yena umangalelo wesibini kulaye ukuthi uye wanika uMukhola lelo kheli lelo. Uthi uMukhola uma ephendula uthi cha mina ngiyakuphika lokho ngoba bengikade nami kusho ukuthi bengizabe ngibeka umsebenzi wami engcupheni ngoba mina bengingaboshwa noma ngithweswe icala lokuthi mina ngivikela ukuhambisa komthetho ngokuthi mina ngibuze umuntu obekade simsola kakhulu kuleli cala elikhulu kangaka. Uma ingabe bengenze kanjalo umangalelo wesibini kube akahlalanga la ehleli khona manje.
Now, yesterday you commented on the allegations that accused number 2 was assaulted in your presence on 2 occasions. Those allegations appear during the cross-examination of Sergeant Mukhane on the 7th of November 2023 on pages 23 up to 26. Now, the question is this: has there been any charges laid against you that accused number 2 was assaulted in your presence and that you did not take any action?
My Lord, as far as I know, my Lord, there are no charges, my Lord, laid against me.
Manje ke kuthiwa izolo uphana ngobufakazi ukhuluma ngalolu daba lokuthi umangalelo wesibini yena bekade ethe ushayiwe wena ukhona awuzange umsize njengephoyisa awuzange umvikele ukuthi angashawa. Uthi umshushisi manje uyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe likhona icala noma akhona amacala avulelwe wena njengoba uyiphoyisa umangalelwa eshawe ukhona uthi cha mina anginalo lolo lwazi lamacala avulelwe ukuthi mina angivikelanga umuntu eshawa phambi kwakho.
As a court, please, my Lord, those are the only aspects we wanted to take up with this witness. Okay.
Thanks. Any cross-examination, Mr. Ngabezulu?